Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, well, our YouTube channel. We're going to show you some nature. So there's some rocks letting water go down. There's a log there. There's another log. Huge tree there.
Hey guys.
There's an old water pump.
Hey guys.
And there's trees over there that fell down, and Carter wants to tell you something.
Always remember, like the video, subscribe, turn post notifications on so you never miss a single video.
Remember it. And
If
always,
you won't get 100 Robux.
You might get 100 Robux. You're a lucky winner.
Yeah.
All you have to do, subscribe, like all our videos, post notification bell, and join our group in Roblox. But it's going to be on May 25th.
And
Whoever comments first on our videos and comments in our group first will win the 100 Robux. And yeah, that's all we're going to